This is the closeout video for DripDropz Open Chain Vote, on-chain voting, gated polling. So we're going to start right here at the front door. This is our demo environment. So I'm going to walk you through connecting to the system. So log in, top right. You want to click on that, log in. You can choose to use a hardware wallet. Remember, you're going to have to be on pre-prod testnet. We'll get to that step in just a moment. I'm going to go with connect your wallet. I know I have a pre-prod set up on Eternal. Sign message with Eternal. And this wallet may or may not be on pre-prod right now. And it was. But I'm going to log out. I'm going to open Eternal. So if you're not in pre-prod already, so you go to the settings menu, app settings, network. Okay, so I'm just going to go over to mainnet just for demonstration purposes, because this is where most people will be coming from. So you're on mainnet right now. We need to go to pre-prod. So app settings, network, pre-prod. Now my wallet's in pre-prod. Now I already had a wallet created here. So if you didn't already have a pre-prod wallet created, you would want to go it would obviously give you a prompt. So you want to create one, restore one, etc. But in my case, I would have to click on this wallet button here. And then you have the option to add a wallet. So this is what you would typically see if there's nothing here already. New, connect, blah, 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 blah. I'm just going to go, we'll do a new wallet, show recovery phrase. I have written this down. Pick the 16th word. That was artwork. All right, so we're just going to do one account. We're going to name this one gated polling test, all one word. Create a spending password here. The next thing we'd want to do would be to go get some ADA. So you can Google Cardano testnet faucet. This address is docs.cardano.org/Cardano-testnets/tools/faucet. So I'm going to go to environment, select pre-prod, receive test ADA. We need to give it an address. My receive address here. Copy. I'm not a robot. API key, we don't need that. Request funds, and good. Now, this will happen pretty quickly. Couple of minutes. Well, it's already there. Refreshing here just because. All right, so we got 10,000 test data. Now, if you need test drip, because I'm going to do two polls. One will be open, one will be gated. The gated one will use T-Drip because everybody's going to have access to T-ADA. So if you want to test the gated poll, just in the comments in the milestone window, just drop a testnet address and I will send you T-Drip so you can test. So now we've got our testnet wallet set up. We're good to go. We're going to log in, connect your wallet. I'm going to go to Eternal, sign message with Eternal. This is the wallet that we just created. Sign. Now we're in. Okay. Polls. This is the section we want to focus on. What should be prioritized? No diversity. TX volume. Increase of enterprise pilots. All the above. Other. Just to be contrarian, I'm going to select TX volume. Sign and submit. So here's where I would sign, just like I was signing a transaction. This is going to cast my vote on this poll. So now we're going to create a poll. So the first poll we're going to create is going to be open. That is not proper. Anyway. So we'll do three options. I like it, I don't like it, indifferent. Publish a result on chain, yes or no? I'll say no. Not a big deal. Continue. We're going to create a description here. Continue. Now here's where you would be able to choose. You want to gate it, choose an NFT. All right, you'll have to enter what you want to call it, and then the policy ID of that NFT, right? Or an FT, same thing. You want to name it something. So we're going to use T-Drip in a while. So there I will just say T-Drip, and I'll paste the policy ID of that token in here. Okay, we're going to leave this one open for now. Poll submitted for admin review. So here's where I would log in as an admin. So we have one poll awaiting review. Needs approval. Okay, so here's the details. I'm just going to approve it. Okay, so we can come over to pending, right? Because it's going to show what's pending for me. So now I know that my poll has been approved by the admins. Do I want to manage it, edit it now, or do I want to publish it now? We're going to publish it now. So it has been published. All right. Open poll that you can vote on. All right. So I'm going to say I'm indifferent. I'm going to sign and submit. And we're done. That's it. That's an open poll where anybody can participate. Now we're going to do a gated poll. So we'll come back over to polls. We're going to create a poll. Poll question. Bologna. Oops. Bologna and peanut butter. So which one do you prefer? I know a lot of people are going to say neither. Publish result on chain. Sure. We'll do that. We're going to keep it at 2 options. Description. All right. Continue. I spelled that way wrong. All right. So now we're going to say FT, right? T-Drip is what we're going to call it. It recognizes that asset as being something valid on chain. It even gives us the asset name, verifies the policy ID. We're going to save that rule. I'm going to switch my wallets back. So now we've set up a poll that is gated for a particular FT. Submit for review. Now the admin will have to approve that. And as an admin, we have one poll waiting for review. We can approve it, we can reject it, we can view it, we can manage it. I'm going to approve it. So pending. Now I've had it approved. It will not automatically publish the poll as we've already illustrated here. You will have to take the next step. But the admin has said you're good to post it. So you can edit it, publish it, whatever you might want to do here. Keep in mind, if you edit it, the admin will have to approve that edit. All right, so now we're going to publish this. Yes. Poll has been published. This was the one we just did. It's gated. So my current wallet that I'm connected with does not have T-Drip. So I'm going to select this, sign and submit. It's going to check my wallet. Your wallet must hold at least one asset under this particular policy. I don't have that in that wallet. So we're going to log out. I need to come back over to the wallet, change which wallet I'm using. This one has T-Drip in it. Log in, connect your wallet, eternal again, sign with message. And remember, we've just switched which of our testnet wallets we're using to one that does contain T-Drip. Polls. All right, so I'm going to select bologna and peanut butter. Sign and submit vote. Now that I have a wallet connected that has T-Drip located within it, it will allow me to vote. And this pretty much wraps up this project. We have some other things we want to do going into the future, but for now, I think this is at a good place. The voting stack is there. It's open source. Anybody could pull this out and use it however they want. Obviously, we have our UI, our UX, but you're not tied to that. And I doubt anybody would use it the same way that we're using it right here. There's 1,000 other ways that this could be used. I did like one thing here. So if you wanted to share this on social, if you had a poll going, and let's say I wanted to share it on Twitter, I think I'm logged in, yep. So vote on this. This is gated by TDrip, blah, 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 blah. So I could, tweet this out right now and give a link directly to that poll. People can come back and use. I'll just post it just because we can. And brings you right back in here. Now I've already voted, so I can't vote now. But anyway, if you want to play with this and you need some T-Drip, drop a pre-prod address for yourself in the comments on the milestone page, and I'll get some over to you. Thanks a lot. Take care, and we're here if you need us.